Welcome to Archives of Plastic Surgery. This year's March issue has been released, so you can find out more on our website. For March highlights, we're diving into an innovative approach to reconstructive surgery for subungual melanoma. Today I'll be introducing the latest case series and literature review by Dr. Sujin Wu from Seoul National University. The article is about the Serratus Anterior Fascia free flap, aka SAFF flap, for functional surgery of subungual melanoma. Subungual melanoma is a rare but serious form of skin cancer affecting the nail unit. While traditional treatment often involves amputation, recent advancements emphasized functional and aesthetic reconstruction. The SAFF flap is a thin, pliable, and easily moldable flap that preserves digit function and maintains natural aesthetics without requiring debulking. This study examines 4 female patients treated for subungual melanoma on their thumbs and great toes. The procedure involved wide excision followed by SAFF flap reconstruction. No recurrences observed over an average follow-up of 41.5 months. Patients reported high functional and aesthetic satisfaction with rapid recovery in just 2 weeks. In conclusion, the SAFF flap offers a promising alternative for subungual melanoma reconstruction, providing superior functional and cosmetic results. If you want to learn more, read the full article in Archives of Plastic Surgery. Link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge plastic surgery insights. Thank you.